thunderstorm warning for central Calhoun County in central South Carolina, southwestern Sumter County in central South Carolina, southeastern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of St. Matthews, or 13 miles southeast of McEntire Air Base, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sumter, South Sumter, Shaw Air Base, St. Matthews, Eastover, Oakland, Gadsden, Millwood, Points at State Park, Pinewood, King Savannah, Jenkins Mill, Fort Moss, Lakewood, Privateer, Wedgwood, Cherryvale, and Statesburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. And the surrounding area. Issued at 2:25 p.m.